friends, I am Sajatane. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, we are going to compare both the display quality between the Realme X and the Redmi K20 Pro. So both the phones are having the Super AMOLED display, guys. Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X as well. So a lot of viewers are asking me to do a comparison video between the Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X. So recently, I have figured out how to increase the video enhancement in the Redmi K20 Pro, guys. So check the links in descriptions how you can increase the saturation colors in the Redmi K20 Pro. So after increasing the saturation colors, I just want to compare side by side with the Realme X device. So on the right side I got the Realme X and the left side I got the Redmi K20 Pro. So I'll be playing the same video on both the phones, which is a 4K at 30 frames per second. So Realme X also supports the 4K video at 30 frames per second. So I'll be in this test we'll be comparing the display quality between the Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X side by side. So in the Realme X you won't get any option to increase the saturation colors. So you just get a cooler, default and warmer. So in this test I'll be setting to the cooler. And in the Redmi K20 Pro, even you can get automatic contrast or increased contrast. So here I'll be choosing the increased contrast. So in the Redmi K20 Pro, I am setting to the extreme visual effects, as you can see here, for the MX player. So in this test, I'll be using the MX player as a default player in both the phones. So before starting the test, let me give the basic information about the displays in the Realme X and the Redmi K20 Pro. So as you can see here, the Realme X has a 6.5 inches screen. So whereas the Redmi K20 Pro has a 6.3 inches. And both the phones are comes with the AMOLED display in the Realme X and the Super AMOLED in the Redmi K20 Pro. So even the Realme X has a Super AMOLED panel. And you can see the pixel density as well. So in the Redmi K20 Pro, you get more pixel density because of the small screen size, 6.3 inches. So when compared with the 6.5 inches. So in the Redmi K20 Pro, you get the extra features like, as you can see here, HDR10 and the DCI P3 100%. So which is not available in the Realme X device. So now let me continue the test. So as you can see, guys, I played the same video, 4K video in the Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X. So now I am playing the 4K video at 30 frames per second. As you can see, the saturation colors are very high in the Redmi K20 Pro because I have increased to the extreme. All the colors will be high saturated and high contrast, as you can see here. So when compared with the Realme X device, it looks very different, guys, from the Realme X. So now you can see, guys. So clearly the colors are very much saturated in the Redmi K20 Pro if you increase the contrast ratio. So overall you can find a huge difference between the Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X device. So it's very good that in the Redmi K20 Pro you can increase the colors right now. So if you want to know how to increase the colors in the Redmi K20 Pro and the K20, check the links in the description, guys. So overall, I feel the Redmi K20 Pro is a little bit high advantage when compared with the Realme X device. So maybe with a future update, the Realme X should also bring the option to increase the saturation colors and the contrast in the Realme X device. So now I am trying the same test with decreasing the saturation colors in the Redmi K20 Pro. So we'll get a clear idea. So with the normal settings, how it looks between the Realme X and the Redmi K20 Pro, how the display clarity is. So right now I'm using just the normal settings. So now I'm using the normal settings in the Redmi K20 Pro, guys. But still Redmi K20 Pro looks pretty much high saturated than the Realme X device. So you can see clearly here. So all the three colors looks high saturated than the Realme X phone. So for more videos comparison between the Realme X and the Redmi K20 Pro, check the links in the description, guys. So in the future I'll be doing a lot of comparison videos between the Honor 9X as well. So even I'll be doing comparison video between the Redmi K20 Pro and the OnePlus 7 Pro. So which I got here. So overall, the Redmi K20 Pro is the clear winner in terms of the display quality between the Realme X and the Redmi K20 Pro. So thank you guys for watching. Check the links in the description guys for the playlist which contain full videos comparison between both the phones. See you in the next video guys. Bye.